Hello, my name is Terry Rooney. I'm the Bodyshop manager in Tadg Riordan Motors. I have 28 years experience in this field. Our Bodyshop is here to help you in this stressful time if you've damaged your car, scratched your car. We hold CSS, which is a Bodyshop standard set by the motor industry in Ireland to a very high standard. We're approved repairers for all major insurance companies. We repair all makes of vehicles. Our Bodyshop is equipped with the highest standard. 2 spray booths, 4 pull-in systems, 12 qualified staff. We're here to make sure your car is repaired to the highest standard for your trade-in. We repair commercial vehicles all over Ireland. We do courtesy cars, estimates, towing. So give me a call in this stressful time and I'll get through it for you with the least stress for yourself on 01 8350 084. Thank you.